In this video, I will be showing you how to create a coloring page in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the Canva home screen and click on the Custom Size button. I'm going to select the 8.5 by 11-inch document from my recent list, as this is the standard size for a printed coloring page. Once my blank canvas loads, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. I'll select a square shape and drag the corners to resize it so it fills most of the page, leaving a small margin for the printer. To give the border a softer look, I'll click the border style icon and move the corner rounding slider to about 10. Next, I'll click on the color icon and choose No Color for the fill. Then go back to the border style and increase the stroke weight to 10 to create a nice thick frame. Now I'll go to the search bar in Elements and type Animal Coloring Page. I'll browse through the graphics and select this sleeping cat. I'll drag it into the center of my frame and scale it up until it fills the space. To add a label, I'll click on the Text tab and add a text box. I'll type the word cat in all caps and change the font to a bold style like Anton. I'll click on the spacing icon to increase the letter spacing significantly. To make the letters colorable, I'll click on Effects and select the Hollow option, then adjust the thickness slightly so it's easy to see. I'll position the text at the bottom and make sure it's centered. Now, I'll click the Add Page button to start a second design. I'll copy the border from the first page and paste it onto the new one. Back in Elements, I'll select the caterpillar graphic and center it. I'll also copy the text box from the first page, paste it here, and change the text to caterpillar. Since this is a longer word, I'll decrease the font size and adjust the letter spacing until it fits perfectly within the border. To create the third page, I'll just duplicate the previous one and delete the caterpillar. I'll replace it with the turtle graphic, centering it inside the frame. Then I'll edit the text to turtle and tweak the letter spacing to make it look balanced. I'll duplicate the page one more time for our final design and delete the turtle. This time, I'll select the pig graphic and center it. I'll change the text to pig and increase the letter spacing to fill the width of the page. Once I'm happy with all the pages, I'll click the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. I'll change the file type to PDF Standard, which is best for printing, and then hit the Download button to save my new coloring book. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy making your own custom coloring pages.